Here we have the setup for the lab distillation of cherry coke. You have your Bunsen burner set up on the ring stand with the ring clamp and wire mesh. This is about 100 milliliters of cherry coke. The tubing is already set up. As you can see, there's a thermometer inserted in the tubing, and then your ice bath is set up to the side.
Add about 10 milliliters of distilled water to test tube 1, and then add 8 drops of bromthiamyl blue indicator into the water and mix. The color should be green.
Submerge test tube number 1 into the ice bath and place the end of the plastic tubing into the test tube, making sure the tip is in the liquid. When putting the test tube into the ice bag, make sure not to jam it too hard because breakage is very possible. Oops.
Light the Bunsen burner to begin gently heating the coke.
As the cherry coke heats up towards 60 degrees, the bromthiamyl blue indicator turned yellow. When it gets to 60 degrees, go ahead and switch the tubing from one test tube to the other test tube and put in the ice bath. Once you get to 105 degrees, carefully switch the tubing from one test tube to the other test tube and place the new test tube in the ice bath. Very smoothly. When the temperature reaches 110, and there is a lot of liquid in this handy little tube, test tube 1 turned yellow as the pH changed. Test tube 2 filled with a small amount of clear liquid that will be wafted in a second. Test tube 3 filled with a large amount of clear liquid that has no fragrance. It smells very strongly of cherries.